We have 3 stumps here to do. Quite a big one, I think that's a poplar. And then we have a biggish poplar here. So yeah, get going on these bad boys. We've got that one down, ready to grind. This one's done. It took 10 minutes. She's gone. There's the machine. She's a good machine for small stuff. If you're doing big stumps, waste of time. But for small stumps, she's grand. This is probably on the bigger side of stuff you should be doing. But she'll get through it, but it can be a bit of hardship. But it will get you out of jobs. That's how we do it. So that stump there, probably a bit big for this machine. It's getting the job done, but it is a bit of effort for this machine. Like, grand if you're only doing this here and there. If you're doing this quite often, it's not the machine you want. But anyone that's just doing small jobs, small stumps, brilliant machine. Yeah, so look, we've got this one left. Nearly finished that, a couple of, maybe 2 minutes to finish that, and then onto this one. Yeah, that's the finished job. She's gone. There's the first one we did, that's gone. And that was the bigger one of them all. Probably all in all, that one took about half an hour. The first one took about 10-15 minutes, and the second one just took 10. The one over there. Yeah, successful job. 2 of the stumps were probably bigger than I thought, because I priced it by pictures, which I normally don't do. But look, these things happen. But yeah, that's the Lumag stump grinder. Back aboard. Done her day's work.